Today, I want to show you how to use the expanded widget in Teta. This widget is very useful. As a matter of fact, instead of setting a specific size for two buttons in the same row, we can simply expand them across our given space. Once we have placed our widgets, we just add an expanded widget right before each button. This way, each one of our button size will be set to the biggest size possible. Let's now add a padding right before the row so that we can set our buttons apart from the sides of the screen. Next, let's add a bit more padding to our buttons. This way, we can set the right amount of spacing we would like there to be between each button. If you want to see other Teta tutorials, don't hesitate to visit our YouTube channel. See you next time!